Good morning students. Today we will do the next portion of the chapter heat. Students, in the last class I already told you about the way of heat transfer, that is convection and the convection current, and some applications of convection current in nature that I discussed. Today I will tell you about some other applications of convection current that we can see in our daily life. The first one is very important, that is ventilation. Students, the fresh air is essential for our good health. So there must be some arrangement for ventilation in our room so that we can get fresh air. Due to ventilation in a room, hot impure air of the room is replaced by the cool fresh air. And how we can achieve this? This is achieved by making an opening near the ceiling of the room. Here you can see the ventilators. Opening or hole-like structure near the ceiling of the room. This is known as ventilator. The air which we breathe out being warm is light. So what happens? It rises up. As it rises up, it goes out through the ventilator. Now cool fresh air from outside enters the room through the windows or through the doors if the door is open to take the place, and thus a convection current is set up. That's why the room remains fresh or room remains occupied by the cool fresh air. In kitchen also, students, you can observe ventilator near the ceiling so that fumes and the lighter gases which are produced by the burning of the coal or gas can pass out through the ventilator and fresh air can enter the kitchen through the windows. You can also observe, students, that exhaust fan is also fitted near the ceiling in a bathroom or in the kitchen. This serves the same purpose. Now students, I will tell you about chimneys. Chimneys are there in factories. In factories you can observe long chimneys are made over the furnace to remove the undesired fumes, smoke, etc. present near the furnace. What is the reason? The reason is that hot harmful gases coming out from the furnace are less dense. So the hot gases rises up through the chimney and comes out. The smoke and the fumes, etc. around the furnace then rush into the chimney to take their place, and they are also sucked out. Thus, chimneys helps us to remove the undesired fumes, smoke from the factories. Hope you have understood, students. Now I will tell you about air conditioner. You might have seen, students, that installation of air conditioner in a room, where the air conditioner in a room is installed near the ceiling above the window level. Okay, so the purpose is to produce quick cooling of the room. We know, students, that air conditioner gives out cold air which falls down as it is heavier than the warm air. As it is falling down and we are breathing out, that air is warmer, and less dense, that air is going up. You can see the red colored arrow is given. This is the direction of flowing of hot air. or the warm air that we are breathing out. It is going up and the cold air from the air conditioner is coming down to take its place. So in this way, a convection current is set up. So gradually the entire space of the room becoming cool. Now students, I will tell you about heaters. Generally students, heaters are placed near the floor of the room. Again, what is the reason? We know that if heaters are placed near the floor of the room, the air above the heater or beside the heater becomes warm and the warm air rises and the cold air sinks down to the floor to get that place. Thus a convection current is set up and slowly the room becomes warm. Okay students, that's why heaters are placed at the bottom of the room, or you can say near the floor of the room. Okay students, hope you have understood the taught part. Learn the taught portion of the chapter from your textbook. Thank you.